If you can barely keep your eyes open during the workday, or have a tough time making it through that dreaded afternoon slump, it might be time to rethink your diet. Instead of popping open a sugary, belly-fattening energy drink or pouring yet another cup of coffee, load up some nutrient-rich, energy-sustaining foods that give you the energy to keep you going all day long. If you wonder which are the foods that give you energy right away, in this video, I'm going to show you 12 healthy energy-boosting foods to maximize your productivity. From bananas to peanut butter, hummus, avocados, and many more. Watch until the end to learn about all of them. Do you want to know which are the top 12 healthy energy-boosting foods to maximize your productivity? Before we get into it, why not subscribe to Nutrition Facts, and click the notification bell. Help support the channel by watching this video until the end. Great, then let's get started. 1. Bananas. Bananas may be the best quick snack for sustained energy. While bananas are an excellent natural source of sugar, they are also rich in fibers that help slow sugar digestion. Bananas contain helpful nutrients that make the body feel full of energy. A study in the journal PLOS One notes that eating a banana before a long bicycle ride helps performance and endurance as much as a carbohydrate drink. While most people are not cycling each day, bananas may still provide energy. 2. Peanut butter. Although peanut butter is a calorie-dense food, a little goes a long way in providing a great tasting energy boost. Its healthy fats, protein, and fiber help stave off hunger and keep blood sugar levels stable. Instead of covering your morning toast with butter or jelly, which are devoid of protein and fiber, top slices with all-natural nut butter contain nothing but nuts. Just be sure to avoid brands with added sugars, and stick to a 2 tablespoon serving. 3. Hummus. Hummus is a Mediterranean dip with only a few simple ingredients: pureed garbanzo beans, sesame-based tahini, olive oil, and lemon juice, that all contribute nutrients for energy. The fiber and protein that the beans provide stabilize blood sugar, take the edge off hunger, and boost energy. When used as a dip for nutrient-rich veggies, such as red pepper strips or carrot sticks, hummus makes a great mid-afternoon snack. You can also use it as a sandwich spread instead of mayonnaise. 4. Avocados. Avocados are a well-rounded fruit in terms of health values and nutrients. A study in Critical Reviews in Food Science and Nutrition notes they contain nutrients, protein, and fiber that may help sustain energy levels throughout the day. They also contain good fats that may increase energy levels, and make fat-soluble nutrients more available in the body. 5. Dark chocolate. If you just have to have candy, this is a good choice. It's lower in sugar than candy bars and milk chocolate. It's also been shown to improve mood and brain function. Antioxidants in cocoa can help protect cells, lower blood pressure, and improve blood flow. This can keep you healthy and energized. Dark chocolate does have fat, so check the label and keep portions small. 6. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is a whole grain cereal that could provide you long-lasting energy. It contains beta-glucan, a soluble fiber that forms a thick gel when combined with water. The presence of this gel in the digestive system delays stomach emptying, and the absorption of glucose into the blood. Furthermore, oats are rich in vitamins and minerals that help the energy production process. These include B vitamins, iron, and manganese. The combination of all these nutrients makes oatmeal a perfect food for sustained energy release. Are you enjoying the video? Hit the like button, and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, for more videos like this. Now, let's get back to our video, to continue with the 12 healthy energy boosting foods to maximize your productivity. 7. Eggs. A single one has just 70 calories and yet has 6 grams of protein. That provides the fuel that gets released slowly. It also has more nutrients per calorie than most other foods. That helps it satisfy hunger. As a result, you're more likely to skip that mid-morning donut in the office break room, that will spike your blood sugar and crash your energy. 8. Almonds. Almonds are a superstar in the snack world, as they contain essential nutrients, like magnesium and B vitamins, that help convert food to energy. Research shows that people with low magnesium levels tend to tire more quickly during exercise, due to magnesium's energy metabolism role. Insufficient B vitamins can lead to fatigue, irritability, and poor concentration. Stick to one serving, 1 ounce, or about 23 nuts, to keep calories in check. 9. Chicken. Trimmed of skin, it's a great source of lean protein. A piece of grilled chicken with some steamed or lightly dressed greens makes a perfect light lunch that won't weigh you down and will fuel you steadily until dinner. And chicken has less of that unhealthy saturated fat than other meats like pork, beef, and lamb. 10. Brown rice. Brown rice is a very nutritious food. Compared with white rice, it's less processed and retains more nutritional value in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. 1/2 cup, 50 grams, of brown rice contains 2 grams of fiber and provides a large portion of your recommended daily intake, RDI, of manganese, a mineral that helps enzymes break down carbs and proteins to generate energy. Additionally, thanks to its fiber content, brown rice has a low glycemic index. Therefore, it could help regulate blood sugar levels and promote steady energy levels throughout the day. 11. Quinoa. Quinoa is a seed that's popular for its high protein, carb, and dietary fiber content, as well as its many vitamins and minerals. Even though this superfood is high in carbs, it has a low glycemic index, which indicates that its carbs are absorbed slowly and can provide a sustained energy release. Additionally, quinoa is rich in manganese, magnesium, and folate. 12. Greek yogurt. When it comes to yogurt, Greek varieties can deliver twice the amount of hunger-satisfying protein as regular offerings, with 17 grams per 6-ounce container, making it a supercharged breakfast, lunch, or snack. The thick, indulgent texture is the perfect canvas for various toppings that can make it even more substantial. Mix in fresh berries and chopped nuts for a nutrient-packed treat. Make sure you select non-fat Greek yogurt that's low in added sugar to keep calories at around 100 per container. While this list is not exhaustive, the idea behind finding energy-boosting foods is to consume a very balanced diet. Vitamins, fiber, fats, and proteins are all essential for energy, but it is crucial to balance them. People should try to choose a varied diet containing many different, nutritious foods that give the body sustained energy. Are you enjoying the video? Hit like, share, and subscribe. Also, leave a comment to let us know which part of the video was the most helpful for you. See you in the next video.